Did you know your PlayStation 5 console has many new features, such as haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, 3D audio, and more? In this video, we'll show you how to adjust a few of these settings to help maximize your PlayStation 5 experience. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the settings icon. It looks like a gear. This is where you'll be able to adjust your system settings. Let's look at the sound settings. This is where you can adjust your microphone, audio output, and volume. 3D audio is an innovative new feature that can be experienced through headphones. To use it, make sure to connect your headphones to the controller or the console. You can also adjust your 3D audio profile. Each person experiences 3D audio differently. This option lets you find a 3D audio profile that best suits your ear level. So try and choose the option that sounds best to you. To adjust your haptic feedback and adaptive trigger sensitivity, go back to the main settings screen, then to Accessories and Controllers. From here, you can customize the level of haptic feedback and adaptive trigger experienced. The default is set to Strong, but feel free to change this to find the setting that best suits your taste. Finally, your PlayStation 5 console has various power-saving settings. The Optimized Experience setting will automatically update your console to the latest system software, allow you to turn on your console remotely when using the PlayStation app or Remote Play, and charge your controllers even when in rest mode. The Low Power Use setting does not include these features and will ensure the lowest power consumption in rest mode. Don't worry if you missed it during the initial setup. You can still adjust these settings at a later point in time. To adjust the automatic update of system software, go to System and then System Software. To turn on your console remotely using the PlayStation app and Remote Play, go to System and then Power Saving. Don't forget to enable Remote Play to use the feature. To adjust the automatic download and installation of games and apps, go to Save Data and Game App Settings, and then Automatic Updates. These are just a few of the settings you can change to customize your PlayStation 5 console experience, so take the time to experiment and find what works best for you. Enjoy!
PlayStation